Hi and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to review Snackshot pasta from Newgate, instant, ready in minutes. So Newgate is really company. I don't even know if it's company. This is noodle made for Lidl, Lidl grocery stuff. So as you can see, even Lidl ordered them to make to print barcode in front so the cashier can easily cash it out. Preparation is very easy. You just put all the stuff in here, add some boiling water and wait, and it will be ready as it's ready. So this is roast chicken flavor. I also tried the macaroni cheese, which was great. It's a bit pricey, but well, hopefully it's good. It's ready after a couple of minutes. As you can see, I work now on the insertion sort for Java and some other algorithms. And well, roast chicken. Maybe you remember from your childhood, Sunday dinner with family, some apple juice and crispy roast chicken. Hopefully it will taste like this or just remind the times. Yeah, let's see. Well, it's more like a chicken though. I can't feel the mashed potatoes and the other stuff that should accompany the roast chicken, but not too bad. But as for 50 cents, way too expensive. No pot with this. Need your own jug. The taste is like average, so it should be way cheaper than it is indeed. Thank you for watching.